One beautiful morning, four friends discovered a magical garden filled with wonderful surprises.
Hidden beneath the flowers was a magical watermelon seed. Together, they prepared a perfect little home for the magical seed.
With love and care, the magical seed was finally planted.
The very first drops of water awakened the magic hidden beneath the soil.
The magical watermelon had begun its wonderful journey. Every new sunrise made the magical vine grow stronger.
Wow!
Soon, beautiful golden flowers covered the magical vine. The very first little watermelon had finally appeared.
Working together, they kept their magical vines safe and strong.
With sunshine, water, and care, the magical watermelons grew bigger every day.
One magical watermelon was growing faster than anyone had imagined.
Wow!
By the next morning, the magical watermelon was already bigger than anything they had ever seen. Every hour, the magical watermelon grew even taller.
Soon, the giant watermelon stood taller than every tree in the garden.
The magical seed was creating something truly extraordinary.
The magical watermelon became so huge
That it was bigger than a house!
Everything was ready for the biggest watermelon harvest the garden had ever seen. The long-awaited harvest day had finally arrived. They handled the magical watermelon with great care and love. The magical garden knew it was time for the giant fruit to be harvested.
Wow, look!
The magical garden became the most wonderful fruit festival anyone had ever seen.
Everyone counted together.
3, 2, 1!
Something truly magical was waiting inside the giant watermelon. The magical watermelon opened, revealing the most wonderful surprise. The giant watermelon was filled with magical fruit balloons.
The whole garden became one giant celebration of friendship and joy. And joy.
The friends shared a happy picnic together. That wonderful surprises grow from love and care.
Wow!
With patience, care, and teamwork, the smallest seed grew into the biggest surprise. See you next time on RunTime Kids.